What's up, guys? Welcome back to Review Unbox, your go-to destination for hottest car updates. And today we're talking about Toyota's brand new three-row crossover that was recently teased. Honestly, it looks like a big deal. Toyota has officially dropped the first images of an all-new three-row SUV. And while the name is still under wraps, the design clues are screaming next-generation Highlander vibes, possibly even a replacement altogether. The rear teaser shows a full-width LED light bar with sharp twin strokes, a design language straight out of Toyota's modern EV playbook. And if it feels familiar, that's because it closely mirrors the Toyota BZ large SUV concept first revealed back in 2021. The proportions clearly confirm 3 rows of seating, meaning this thing is aimed squarely at families. Patent images and early visuals suggest Toyota is keeping the production model very close to the concept, with sleek body lines and a clean, futuristic look. Now here's where it gets interesting. Toyota hasn't revealed the powertrain yet, but all signs point toward electrification, either a full EV under the BZ umbrella or a hybrid setup, which would make perfect sense given Toyota's cautious but calculated approach to electrification. This SUV could slot above or even replace the current Highlander. Toyota clearly wants to reset expectations with something more modern, more tech-focused, and more future-ready. An official debut is expected very soon. So, stay tuned, and as always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more car updates, and I'll see you in the next one.